My first Jeep, I bought with my sister when I was 14 years old. I paid $500, she paid the other $500. She got to drive it to work, and I fixed it. And so it was a 1953 military surplus vehicle from the Korean War that I found on the Los Angeles Times. I thought, oh yes, I've got a car, this is so awesome. And so, I did the brakes. I didn't do the brakes too well because they gave out on my sister on Sunset Boulevard. Thank God I fixed the emergency brake the week before. She thought I was trying to kill her. She came home and just, oh my God, I thought, this is gonna be the end of my mechanic career, right? And I painted it, Sebring red, which was a Jeep color. And I would sand down, I'd put maybe 2 or 3 coats on, sand it down, and then put on another 3 or 4 coats on. So by the end, I think I calculated about 14 coats of lacquer. And it taught me how to wet sand. I mean, I'm 16 years old, and I'm wet sanding cars, and I'm polishing out the micro scratches. And Jeeps will always be a part of my collection, and this was the start of something pretty big in my life. I drove that Jeep everywhere. I mean, I had that Jeep airborne. I had it up on 2 wheels with 4 guys in the car. I mean, that was my Formula One car. This really taught me, just counter steer and all sorts of stuff in the sand. Taught me how to heel and tow. And it probably saved my life, because if I would have been driving like a Mustang or a Camaro like my friends had, I probably would have wrapped that around a tree. When I was studying in Boulder, Colorado, and having, some rough days, either, your girlfriend doesn't love you anymore or something like that, you just get in the Jeep and you go into the mountains, park it by a stream, put out your chair, and nobody could stop you, because it was such a capable car that I think it really means just freedom to go wherever you want to. It's really the freedom to go anywhere you damn well please. I am a Jeep guy, like, to the bone, and everything else is born out of that first love for me.